Matterport is not only about capturing the digital twin. While we do make it extremely easy to create a digital twin, the benefit of Matterport is the digital twin platform itself. And whether you don't have a camera or the bandwidth to do it yourself, you can always rely on the Capture Services team to create the digital twin for you. And this is how you would do that. I'm over here in my account, and I simply go to Capture Services right over here. And if this is the first time this account has been used to place a Capture Services order, this is what you're going to see. However, if you have already placed an order, you'll be able to see that as well as previously placed orders. So let's go into Order Now. And the first thing I need to do is add in the property details, starting with the location. So I'll add the address. I can see a map quickly comes up of the address, and I just want to confirm that. I'll hit Next. Based on the address that you entered, the system does understand whether there are technicians in the area available with a Pro 2 or Pro 3 camera. If there are technicians available with a Pro 3 camera, you'll see this option. The default option is for a Pro 2 that includes interior 3D and exterior panoramic photos, or you can specify you want the Pro 3 used by saying both interior and exterior in 3D. Let me go back for a second and show you what this looks like if you enter an address that doesn't have a Pro 3 technician available. If a technician with a Pro 3 is not available in the area, as you see here, the only options are residential or commercial. You won't be able to specify that you want the property's interior and exterior captured in 3D. For this demo, I'll stick with this address and just choose residential as my property type. And here I get to enter the approximate size. So let's assume this is about 2,500 square feet. If you're more comfortable with square meters, you can choose that right over here in the size units. If the property has several units that you need captured at once, you can do that here using the Add Another Space button. Think about an apartment complex that has both a 2-bedroom and a 3-bedroom layout, and you want both of them captured at the same time while the capture tech is on site. As long as the street number is the same, you can use the Add Another Space button to include another unit. But if two units are very close to one another, like in a townhome community, but the street address is different for each unit, then you will have to place a second order for the second unit. So in this case, I'll go ahead and press Add Another Unit. I'll make sure my first unit says apartment 1 and second unit says apartment 2. The size of this one is 3,000 square feet. And you can see that the total number of square feet is added up in the bottom at 5,500 square feet for 2 spaces. And the approximate size of everything that you need scanned is very important because it does come into play as you're scheduling the appointment. So let's go ahead and press Next. And now I can go ahead and schedule this. I can only schedule this out about 2-3 weeks. So I'll come back over here and let's do it on a Sunday. Don't forget you have this More option right here. And right here is where the importance of your approximation of the property size comes into play. You can see right here that the system is estimating scanning 5,500 square feet will take 3.5 hours. And because the capture tech is not allowed to be on site scanning past 7 p.m., the latest you'll be able to schedule this appointment is 3:30 p.m. I'm an early riser, so I'm going to schedule this for 8 a.m. and click Next. And now for the contact information. Who's going to be the main source of contact for the capture tech after they get on site? If it's going to be me, the person placing the order, no problem. I'll just click It's Me. If it's not going to be me, it really should be a person who understands how the digital twin is going to be used. So I'm going to go ahead and say it's someone else. I'll put in their name. Indicate whether this person is going to actually be on site to greet the capture tech or not. In my case, I'll say no. And finally, we want to include any sort of instructions. And this is actually very, very important. Here in the instructions, you want to mention not only any kind of code or anything that the technician needs to know in order to access the property, but also in this case, remember, I'm in a location where a Pro 3 camera is not available, so the technician is going to be using a Pro 2. This means they won't be able to include the exterior as part of the 3D. And if I want the exterior, I definitely need to add that in these instructions. So I should specify that I want some of the exterior captured as a 360 view, and I should also specify what the digital twin is going to be used for. What's my use case? Because by knowing how the digital twin is going to get used, the capture tech will be able to position the camera accordingly to optimize for that use case. So that's why this field is not only required, it's highly recommended to add here as much information as possible. All right, let's go ahead and hit Next and review what we have. Take your time and review this booking request. You can edit this right here. You can update any one of these fields. And if the total looks good to you, you can go ahead and confirm. If you do need to either cancel or edit this order, you can do so up to 24 hours before the scheduled appointment. I also recommend reading through the important information at the bottom of this review page prior to confirming your order. I've also included that text in the description of this video. And if you have any other questions or need further guidance, whether it's an order that you've already placed or one that you're planning on making, please reach out to us at mcs@matterport.com.